I'm going to go across to Meetu Jain, who's also tracking that story. She's joining me on the phone line. Meetu, any more details emerging on where all these raids are happening, who all are being raided, how they are related to Mr. A. Raja?
Well, like Smita just said, one of the places is Tenampet in Chennai, and what we understand is there are a number of companies that are being raided. Now the question is, if they don't belong to Raja, why are they being raided? So there is a possibility perhaps that these are Benami companies. Apart from that, what we also know is that it's not just Chandolia's official residence at Vinay Marg that is being raided, also his family home in Regarpura in Karol Bagh that is being searched at the moment by CBI officers. And as well as the fact that most of these, the officers concerned is not their official residences, but residences CBI suspects could be front organizations or residences where they could have something. These are the places where they are being raided. But the question now is that the CBI had first raided Chandolia, for instance, nearly 1 year ago, and a lot of the documents that the CBI needed was already seized. In fact, if I may just point out that the CAG which conducted this investigation got all its documents that it needed from the CBI. So the question is, why is the CBI now conducting these raids? Is it more to just show the public that yes, we are doing something? Because remember, today there is a hearing in the Supreme Court, and a PIL that is being filed by senior advocate Prashant Bhushan is being heard by the Supreme Court. And investigative agencies like the CBI are already under a lot of pressure and criticism from the Supreme Court as for going slow on the investigations into the scam. And it's not just the CBI, but even the Enforcement Directorate has been pulled up by the Supreme Court for going slow. So perhaps today the investigative agency, especially the CBI, will have something to show by way of investigations. It can show that yes, we have been conducting raids against Mr. Raja and company. But yes, the other signal that this raid gives out is the fact that now the political cover and the political protection that Raja had has now vanished, and in the sense that the Congress especially is in for a lot of criticism and pressure, especially in Parliament, for not taking much action on Raja and the DMK especially. And so now they can in fact take the moral high ground and say that yes, we are taking action. But the fact is that what really will happen to Raja now is the question. And going by the kind of reception that Raja has been getting in Chennai and in his constituency, one can safely say that Raja will be getting a lot of sympathy